Hello everyone, today I would like to share with you the process of creating your own Flash token using the ERC20 network. First, we need to make a deposit with Trust Wallet or MetaMask in the amount of 0.1 ETH or 1 BNB, taking into account that you will need about $50 to pay the gas fee. Following my tutorial, you will be able to make 70,000 Flash USDT. Then you can send them to Stake or Binance. From there you can withdraw them to your bank account. Let's get started. First, open Remix Ethereum org, create a new file named USDT making sure to use capital letters. In this file, paste the code given in the description. Make sure you copy it completely, otherwise it may not work. Next, we need to compile the smart contract. Click on the Solidity Compiler tab and select version 0.6.6+. After successful compilation, go to the Deploy and Run Transactions tab. Under the Environment tab, select Wallet Connect. Connect your cold wallet. In the token name field, enter Tether, and in the token symbol, enter USDT. Then click Transaction. When setting the max fee, round it up to the nearest whole number. Confirm the transaction. Keep in mind that the initial payment can be the most expensive, usually costing between $20 and $40. After a few moments, you should see a confirmation that it was successful, as well as the address of your newly created smart contract. Let's test it on Etherscan to make sure our contract was indeed created without any issues. Now let's top up our smart contract. As I said earlier, you have to top up it with 0.1 ETH or 1 BNB. Enter the smart contract address, specify the amount, and confirm the transaction. The gas will cost between 1 and 3 ETH. Once the transaction is confirmed, refresh the page to verify that the contract has been funded. Return to Remix and wait for the balance to appear. Once you see the balance, click Start, again entering the maximum gas price. Wait for the transaction to be confirmed. Once confirmed, click on Withdraw and confirm the transaction. Now wait for about 2 minutes. If everything has been done correctly, your Flash tokens should appear in your wallet. If you have any questions or need any help, feel free to contact me on Telegram at YOUR OWN.